How's it going, everyone? This is Arthur here at the GigaParts location down in Huntsville, here to tell you all about our amazing builds with the new RX 5070 series, 5080 series, and the 5090 series. Here we got our Zero build, the more bang for the buck option with the 5070 Ti. 32 gigs of DDR6, 6000 megahertz transfer RAM. Just as good for those high speeds, great performance, and just overall great value. Here we got our Ascension build with the RTX 5080 and the Intel Ultra 9 and 48 gigabytes of DDR5 84 megahundred transfer per second speeds. This is the bang for the buck. And here we got Big Red, the Colossus build. This one here has got the RTX 5090, Intel Ultra 9 285K. Also comes with 4 terabytes of NVMe storage and this beautiful screen on the front. So you can check your temps, you can check your thermals. So here we got our 3 amazing builds here at the Huntsville GigaParts location, ready for you, ready to buy, in store only, on display. Come get them.